Alright, hey guys, SpamBit7 here, once again. Today I'm not bringing you a video game video, but one of more cooler videos is my AirSoft Gun Collection.
I'll be his assistant.
Yeah, he's my assistant.
Handing you stuff.
Yeah,
What do you want to start out with?
I'm gonna start off my Taurus metal slide pistol. Taurus. Put that down, big cash.
No, I'm being
pretty good. Nice easy feed. Holds 12 volts, 300 something FPS. Not bad. I like it. $35 for the gun. Holster, only $10. Clip, 12. Get out of the background. Yeah, now put my gun down. Jeez, Brendan, he's so anxious to get a gun. Me and him are getting new AKs. We're gonna get AK-47s. Put it down, thank you. Next thing, my equipment. JT Airsoft Pro Delta 2. Pretty good. Deflects all kinds of BBs. Doesn't matter what the weight.
Can I shake this?
Pretty good. Good mask. No, you cannot shake it.
Were you using your mask yesterday?
Yeah, I was using a mask. 8,000 count BB. As you can see, only $13. That's good. No, please let it go, Brendan.
Yeah, I got some BB.
Okay, so
put one in there to just semi.
No.
Show them semi. Here, put these two in there.
Put two BBs in there. Put the electric clip. I don't hold this thing so I broke yesterday, but it still works. Put on semi. There you go. Full auto. MP5K. Well, you might not look like it. It's actually called a R71, but if you take all these attachments off, you will see it is an MP5K. I don't really like to use the suppressor. It kind of takes on the accuracy and the range for it, but I got an ACOS sight.
But for some reason it like jams.
And here's the MP5K. Electric. Yeah, pretty good gun. That's alright, I guess. Holds I think close to 200.
The baby.
And then here's this is my baby, my first airsoft gun. It's pretty crappy, but I mean it's a good, very accurate gun. So it's a Colt M4A1, spring powered, operation manual cocking.
Show them.
Dude, come on.
Show them.
I know, I will. Okay, so adjustable stock, operation manual cocking, so after every shot. But so good gun, nice easy feed. Put that on safety, alright. And holds up to 500. Overall good gun. That's my video. Subscribe to me in Big Cash 5. This is Brett signing off. Peace.